everybody, welcome back to the Daily Draw Pokemon. We're doing Hitmonchan today. I finally got one done. It's been a little bit of a hiatus here. Worked through some art block, worked through some just basic stuff emotionally. I'll probably do some sappy post about it at some point, but for right now, we really need to talk about this Pokemon because first of all, someone decided that Punch Boy needed to wear a skirt. And second of all,
that was me.
Oh, was that you? You designed this Pokemon? And please tell me what exactly was the thought process.
Well, I think at the time I was roughly maybe 4 or 5 years old, and I thought everything looked pretty in a skirt.
And you were like, I'm designing this Punch Boy, and he's pretty.
Yes.
Oh, good. I don't actually know the gender ratio of Hitmonchan. I should have looked that up. What I did look up was the Pokedex entry. Are you guys super excited to find out the canon lore of Hitmonchan? Because it includes that this guy can punch through concrete in a drill-like motion, which all I can imagine is...
How? What?
I don't know. I know. That's all I can imagine is his entire arm just rotating, just rapidly going through concrete. The other thing I love about his absurd power set here is that he can punch as fast as a bullet train, which I looked up. That is 80 miles an hour.
He could punch at 80 miles an hour.
He could punch at 80 miles an hour, yes. But he has to stop every 3 minutes exactly.
What?
He can only go for 3 minutes.
How does he? How long is this recharge period? Like the rest period here?
I don't know. Is it every 3 minutes? Is it just punch for 3 minutes, rest for 3 minutes? It didn't say. It just said. What is it with Hitmonchan and Hitmonlee here? And because Hitmonlee was and he remembers to stop and stretch out his legs after every strenuous workout. Are they just trying to teach kids hey, fighting is fun and all, but remember proper safety. Only fight for 3 minutes at a time.
Is this the Pokemon that eventually evolves into that poofy bagged Pokemon that has a big old hand on him or something?
No, this guy does not evolve.
Oh, okay.
This guy evolves from something later when they introduce baby Pokemon, but right now,
Wait, did I call him Poofy Bag instead of Poofy Pants?
I think you did, yes. I believe you're thinking of Hariyama, but...
I think I hit the poofy back.
Anyway, the other thing that was just great about this guy's Pokedex entry was, shoot, now I've forgotten. Dang it, why'd you have to bite me?
I bit Emily's arm.
She bit me. Well, I may go back and edit it if I remember the thing, but I probably won't. I'll post it in the comments if I remember. Bye! Have a good one. Okay, wait, I remembered. The Pokedex entries kind of alluded to the fact that this Pokemon might happen when, a different Pokemon is possessed by the spirit of a heavyweight boxing champion. Just so you know. Okay, bye.